Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your free Bitcoin from that website. This website link available in description. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from here. After that, come in this website available link in description. Put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. Between 1 to 5 Satoshi every 3 minutes you can claim. Just click login. First of all, solve this captcha. After that, you solve the edge captcha. Okay, I solve it little bit. It's too easy to solve, not too hard. And then I click the edge captchas for the solving. This is the airplane available in this picture. Just click it and just click verify. Then click verify captcha. And you can see this website sent me 5 Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. And thanks for watching guys. And just I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. You can see this website sent me my 5 Satoshi. Bye bye for now.